Dementia describes a range of diseases in which patients lose their cognitive function, their ability to think and operate for themselves.
There are very few disease-modifying drugs that are approved for dementia, and those that are approved have very limited efficacy. So there is a huge commercial white space here. It's a massive unmet medical need. By 2030, we would expect that the cost of dementia will exceed $2 trillion a year.
The UK can be proud of its strong fundamental science base. The breadth and depth of such science, particularly in the field of neurodegeneration and dementia, is at the very forefront and world leading. But there's been underinvestment in the field of dementia drug discovery and development.
The Dementia Discovery Fund was the first dedicated fund in the world that was created to specifically tackle this issue. So the key goal was to increase the different therapeutic avenues that we would pursue. And we've done exactly that. We have now over 20 active portfolio companies working on over 50 highly differentiated programs.
Harness Therapeutics are developing drugs tackling somatic instability in Huntington's disease.
At Harness, we're developing medicines that operate by making small changes to how proteins are controlled in the brain, and we're applying that technology to one of the biggest healthcare challenges of our time, neurodegeneration. So the Dementia Discovery Fund is one of our founding investors, and for us that's been a fantastic seed investor to have on board, and it's really important for us to be working with investors like Dementia Discovery Fund who really know the space, who know the benchmarks, who can help us bring capital in from other funds and equally form partnerships with some of the biggest pharma as well.
Here at SV, we are privileged to benefit from a long-term, multi-fund, strong relationship with the British Business Bank. This started in 2018 when the bank came and invested in our first Dementia Discovery Fund and enabled us to achieve an oversubscribed target of £250 million.
We're very grateful to British Business Bank for being a very strong supporter of both our Dementia Discovery Funds, and they're a key enabler of us being able to invest into highly innovative companies that are potentially going to deliver on the first truly disease-modifying drug for dementia.
So I think success for the Dementia Discovery Fund would be to invest in companies that develop transformative medicines for a form of dementia that can have a material impact upon disease, and in doing so deliver attractive financial returns to our investors, including the British Business Bank.